Sorry for the disturbance, guys. Okay, so now let's proceed. I hope everything is fine. You can see my screen, you can see my video as well, and also you can hear me properly. Okay? But if you face any kind of issue while hearing me or video, okay, you can comment. So now, currently I was creating the use window dimension mode. It's the custom mode. But in this way, you can also know like how in a React application, how we can create a custom mode. Okay. So let's here you can see I have created one, like it's kind of a function which uh, like which we create. Like here I have created use dimension. Okay, and here also we have created one state like use state, and at the in the initial value I will pass this width and height. Okay, so what I will do, I will call this function here. Okay, so now in this way, in the use state I will have the like screen width and height, screen enable. Okay, and here I will create a use effect hook. Okay, now this use effect will have a handle resize function. Okay, like it will this function will continually so like this function will continue monitor the screen width and height. So now let's create the function. So I will create honest handle size or handle screen size and name it. And okay, so now it will be a arrow function. And what it will do, it will take this width and height and it will set the window dimension. Okay, whatever the width and height we will give here. Okay, so it will do set window dimension. It will just set a window dimension. I would call this get window dimension function here like this, and it will do like this. Okay, and what I will do, I will call this function as a on window. So here I will write window dot add event listener. Okay, and when should I should call this function like handle screen size? Like this function should call whenever our screen size changes. So we can watch this resize event. So whenever we occur any resize event, then we can call this handle screen size function. So this function we can call it. Okay. And whenever this function is called, it will what it will do? It will call this get window dimension and it will take the window dimension and will set in window dimension like this. Okay, and also when you write a return statement. Okay, so here I will write return and I will write window. Okay, now this time here we have called like add a event list. Now this time we need to remove the event list and we need to remove the same event listening like this size and we need to pass the function. So, okay, that's it. Okay, so it's done. Okay, now let's see the next step. I think everything is done, and also we only need to return our window dimension. Okay, so let's do return. Like after this view report, we can return like here in the value we can return like whatever value which we want to return, we can return it. So here I want to return the window dimension. So whenever I call this use window dimension function, it will perform this action. Okay, it will run this use it back and it will give me the screen size. Okay, so now let's go to the app.tsx. Okay, here we don't need a use effect. Okay, now let's see. Here I will call like let's get here. Okay, we call this. So here I will call the const. Okay, let's say window dimension. Copy this. So I copy window dimension. Here I will add use what is the open use window dimension. This so use window dimension. So I will copy this root. Let's move this window. Okay, so where uh, I need to use it at app.tsx space. So here I will paste it use window. And first I need to import it. So I will import it. Now let's import from like hook slash use window dimension. And thus I need to just call it. And if I control this, let's say console.log window dimension. Okay, let's say right window dimension. Let's save it. Okay. Now let's go to our browser and if I refresh it, now you can see my current width and height is 414 and height is 896. Now let's go to different distance size. Now if you can see I am at iPhone SE. Now I get a different distance size as 375 and 300. Like I get the different height, so which is the height sorry width for this screen size. Now let's choose a different screen size as well. तो अब मैं यदि iPhone 12 select करता हूँ, you can see I am getting the width for iPhone 12 at 390. If I select iPad Pro, I am getting width for iPad Pro. Okay. Now in this way, I will get a width for a different screen size. Okay. So I just need to check if my screen size is greater than. Okay. So now here what I can do. Okay, we can do one thing. Okay, instead of running all at on the app.tsx page, okay, what we can do, we can move all the thing to the different page, or either we can use it here only. Okay, so now let's see. So like this window dimension will give me height, width, and height, and I need to monitor the width and height. Okay, so let's do this. So let's do. Okay, first what I will do, I will select all the code from here and I will first plot it. Okay, I will get a React sentence sugar fragment. Okay, and here I will create one curly bracket first, and here I will write condition if window dimension the width. Okay, if it is greater than I think let's say how much? Let's give it as 600. Yes, I think let's give it as 600. If the width is greater than 600, then on this like so this code. Otherwise, if it is less than 600, okay, then it will only show a PDF for us now. Or inside it, I will add a mobile. Okay, let's save it. Let's see. I think I have written the correct. Okay, so for minimum like for I think 600, max width is 600. Okay, so whenever my width is less than 600, that means I am at phone, like I am at a small device before. If it's greater than 600, that means I'm at a tablet or mobile. And then we can handle all of these properly. Okay, so now let's go to our browser. Now if I inspect it, and now let's go to any mobile sponsor, let's say iPhone. Now you can see I'm getting as mobile with and I'm not getting anything here. Okay, so now if I select let's say different sponsor iPhone, then also I'm getting like mobile but if I'm going to iPad AR, you can say then at the time my application is visual there. Now if I select let's say again a Galaxy Z phone, you can see showing the time of mobile with ये मैं दूसरा पर्सन से एक्सेस करता हूँ let's say next hub that is your desktop screen. size. So now here also you can see I have also see my you can say browser. So not browser, I also see my web browser. So I hope you understood how I have handled the how the width change, the size, uh, Windows pane size change part. Okay. So now let's try to design the mobile device. Okay, let's open any mobile extension so that we can see here. Or either what I can do here, I can open it on a side by side window. Open. I want Chrome should come here. Okay, let's open the inspect menu. Okay, and now let's go to any mobile. And I think it's not. Should not have left side, but should have. Let's say yeah, mobile with this size. Okay, iPhone 375. Okay, so now let's try to design this. Okay, so first I will minimize this. Okay, and I will write my code from here. Okay, so now let's see how we should design. So first at the top we need to store this background image. Okay, means background image को show करना है और main number को show करना है. Okay, at the top. So let's try to show you. Okay, so for that again I will create a let's say component. Okay, so this time I will give it name as what is it now what? Okay, .tsx. Okay, and this now will only visual to the mobile screen. Okay, and here I will create a component by writing RAFA. Okay, so now first like this now bar you can see it has the fix the width and height. Okay, so I will define it later, but first it will have some background color or images which I can use here. Let's say okay now first let's have we go here. Uh, if you see here it has like this kind of thing. Okay, so let's create it. So first I think it's a background image. I hope I already added to the we should have the background. Yeah, you can see busy server mobile. If for mobile like this background image we need to use. Okay, first we need to configure it to our Tailwind computer access. Here, if you remember, I have configured my background image. So, Tailwind config. So, in the similar, we need to configure our sidebar image for mobile. So, here I will write sidebar mobile. Okay, and here I need to mention the URL. Okay, so URL is src slash assist slash images okay, slash and it will have the BG mobile. Okay, BG server mobile. It's done. Let's save it. So I have the sidebar mobile. Now let's go to the navbar. Or I think we can change the name. Okay, I think it's now here I will give class name. So first we need to define the width and height. So first I will give the width as full. Okay, so it should take the full width. Okay, and height. Let's say let's define the background. So I will do BG sidebar mobile. Let's say what it will do. Okay, and I need to call this now to our app.tsx page. Okay, so here I will call Nava from component slash Nava. If I call it, save it. Here you can say we don't see anything. Okay, so to make it bigger, let's define some height. So let's give it height as also full. I don't think so it's visible. Pages sidebar mobile. I think I need to correct. Let's write any content here. Let's see if it is to the yeah, it's visible. Okay, but I'm not able, we are not able to see this shadow when I'm writing that. Then okay. So I think we find some height. Okay, let's give the height as I think. If you see here, I think it's taking the 20% width of the entire height. Yeah, I guess. So let's give define it. Let's say let's give it 30. That's 32. Okay, now you can see it's looking like this. And what this say guys is okay. Let me give some more class name. Now this time I will use BG cover. Okay, BG cover, and I think I will need to use BG center. So it should come in center. Okay, like this. It will look like this, and I think it's looking fine as the given region. Let's increase the more height instead of 42. Let's give us 33. Okay, I guess it's looking fine. Okay, let's give us 2 by 5. 2 by 5 we won't be good because then we need to mention the height as okay. Let's well, it was 40. Later we can customize it also. Okay, so that's it. I think, and now inside this div we need to show our button like this. Okay, so let's open the first sidebar and see how we have defined design of sidebar. So here, what we have done here. Okay, so here we have map on the step. Okay, so we need to also map on the step like this, and also this now should have access to the current step. So it should, so we need to take it from the from the app.tsx space. So here I will define the interface first. Interface now our props. Okay, so here it should have the access for current step. Okay, it will be a string. Okay, copy it. Okay, so I have the current step, and I need to pass this from here also. The current step is equal to current step. Okay. Now let's go to navbar. Okay, so first inside the step, okay, first I will do a map on the step. So step I will import it from constant. Okay, and I will do step dot map. Okay, step like this, and it will have only one div. Okay, like this, and here we can write the key as step because every step has a unique value. Okay, and here we can write, and also I think we can use the type index. Okay, now let's pass the index here also. Index, and we will show value as index plus 1. Okay, we don't need to do this step, so we can define it like this. So now if you see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the browser. Okay, what's the right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, I have that. Okay, let's move it to the center, to the page. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I will add some different some class name on it. Let's say let's give a text, justify center items, okay, center. Okay, so it will come to the center, and I will give some gap as let's say 4. Okay, now let's give some class name to this div as well. So class name, so I will give us w hyphen 4 h hyphen 4. Okay, rounded hyphen full, and the I will give the border. So border hyphen 4 ground. Okay, you can say the border. Let's increase the width and height. Instead of 4, let's give it as 10. Let's say I will 10. Now, okay, you can see I have the rounded border. I think foreground is not working. Let's give it a different border, or I think I have applied this border color here. The border background. Got it. Instead of foreground, it should be border background. Okay, and also I will give some more properties like bags, justify center, okay, and items center, so that it will come to the center. Okay, and I will wrap this thing with a span tag. Okay, and then I will get some class into this span. Let's say sidebar. Okay, so we can give this kind of class name. Okay, or what I can do here, I can copy the entire class name from here. Okay, and I can paste it here. Okay, and how do we need know the step? Okay, we can get the step from here. Okay, and also I have written some class name. I have written some class name on the span tag also, so I will copy it. Okay, and I will paste it here. Okay, let's save it. Now if I save it, you can say I have the what you can say the number, okay, on the screen number like this. And I think you see here, I think it's looking closer to our design as well. Okay, just decrease the some size to 36. So now I think it's looking fine. Okay, let it go to 40 only. So like I have defined the what you can say the like the navbar. I have created a navbar, and if you see here, like it's not like at the center, so we can remove this item center from here. Okay, instead of it, if I remove the item, you can say stick with the top. So to make some space from the top. You can make the margin, so like margin 6, empty 6 as 6. Let's give it more some, let's say 8. I think it will, yeah. So I have the page number. Okay, now below this, like now what we need to show our components. Okay, so to show our components, we can expand our, what you can say, the above div. Okay, and we can cut all this thing from top to bottom like this. Control C, and we can paste like here. Now if I paste it, you can say I have the personal info and next step everything I have. But it's looking some weird, if you can see that it's not looking fine. Do I need to redesign the personal info page and everything? I don't think this will be the case. Or what we can do here, uh, I understood the part. Okay, let's say what we can do to this. Let's go to the first person copies. Okay, because we need to handle that case here only. Uh, so first of all, we need to move it to the top. Okay, so here it's the, like you can say, the parent div for this browser will be this div. So here I will go some class into relative. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here I will give for, okay, here I will give absolute. Okay, and for medium voice will be relative. Okay, for a small screen only, the position will be absolute. Okay, and then we can give some like BG, BG background. Yeah, I have that background. Okay, now we can give the width W as full, and for I think for medium device W will be 2 by 3, and for a small device W should be full. Okay, and also we can go to the error TSS, and here we can give some padding. Let's say px as 4, px 4, but this isn't from top to bottom. Okay, instead of like enter with px, what we can do, instead of w full, we can give as w 11 by 12. Okay, like 91%, and we can give as an auto. So it should come to the center. It's coming to center. Let it be. What is absolute? Okay, busy background. Let it be here. We don't need to absolute. Learn what where. Okay, let's say for medium voice and for the Yamato, it's also fine, I guess. Now let's go to the air.tss, cut from top to bottom from here. Here I will cut it, and here I will first create one div, and I will paste. here. Okay, on this div, I will click on class name as position as absolute w hyphen 4. Okay, now you can see, and here if I have margin, let's say empty, not empty, I will do top, let's say 5. Yes, like 5 as is too much. Let's give it as 2 or 1. Okay, I think 1 is okay. So we need to give us top 5. Okay, okay, 5 is too small. Let's give it more. Let's say top 8. Well, 16. 16 is also too low. Let's say 20. Top 20. 24. इससे ज़्यादा मत. Yeah, I guess 24 is enough. Okay, let's go to the next step. Okay, let's fill this up. Okay, Manish Tiwari, Manish at example.com, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I click on next step. Okay, sorry, it's the phone number. The phone number should be at least 8 digits. So 67890. I don't know. Yeah, I'm at select your plan page. Okay, so I will do the same thing for select your plan. Okay, so now I will go first to personal info. Okay, I will copy the class name which I have given here. Now let's go to make and select the first select plan component. Let's go to the container div and replace it. Okay, but it need so I will replace till here from py. Okay, because it need this thing relative and everything. Okay, so it's looking like this. Okay, let's we will handle that part. Like we need to move this button to the bottom of this. Okay, we will handle this scenario as well. Okay, and also we need to give some rounded corner, so rounded and we need to give here. Now if I give to the top like this parent div, then also it will work. Let's say rounded only. No, I think we need to give it to the every div. Okay, so let's go to the first personal div. Okay, here I will pass rounded empty controls S plus alt J to wrap this classname. So it has the classname py4 px8. Okay, for medium device sprint size, which will be 2 hyphen 3 and 2 by 3. I think it will be a 66% of the entire width. Background will be white, and if we are on the mobile devices, then the width will be 11 by 12. I think it's 91%. Okay, then margin auto, MD relative, and rounded empty. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go to the select plan. Okay, paste is rounded. Okay, I think it's also have this press all everything. Let's add it to the personal info. Okay, which one for invite this for. Okay, and adding here instead of an empty hyphen 6, we can give empty 2 4. Auto so it will take the bottom. Let's go back. Okay, it's looking fine, I guess. Okay, now let's apply the same CSS class name to the, let's say, next step. I think okay, we need to select at least one. Okay, we need to style this part also. Okay, we will do it. Now let's go to the add-ons page. So I'll select the add-on step, okay, and I will replace the class name with my copied class name. Okay, if I replace it, and say it will look like this. Okay, now let's select one. Now let's go to next step. Our next step is finishing up. It's a summary page, so cancel it. We don't need to print it here. Here I have Control P and then search for summary.tsx. Okay, so let's go to the top, and what I will do, I will replace this class. Okay. Now I can say it's also fixed by UI also fixed part is. Now let's click on the next step. So thank you page. So let's go to the thank you page also. Thank you.tsx. Okay, so here what we need to do, so we can replace that part. Then rest of the part can find. Okay, so let's say it have the KYPX, that's fine. For median voice KYPX, and then BG background, W for margin auto, okay, MD relative, rounded MD, and H full. Okay, yeah, let it be H full. Then again, flex ball. Okay, there's two times flex ball, so we can remove one. Then justify center. Check center items. Okay, okay, let's see. I think it's looking as for the design. Let's see. Let's go to the step 5 of mobile device. Okay, I think we need to increase the height. Okay, so let's see. Let's increase the height. Okay, so how much? Currently it's at as full. Okay, let's give it 96. Okay, I guess now it's looking nice. 96 is looking fine. Currently, what do you say is? Okay, and if you see here also, I think it's fine. According to this layout also. And one more thing, I think we have some extra padding in here. If I remove this, the PX turn, yeah, I guess now it's looking fine. Okay, so what I will do, I don't need to remove it, but it is for medium voices. So if I write MD column, okay. Okay. So now let's replace it and again fix the like width and height for mobile devices or personal info step. Okay. So now let's like first close all the page and let's open the personal info page. Yeah. So okay, so what I need want to do that if you go to the design, okay, for a step one, let's say so here you can say we have personal info and everything we have. Okay, okay, like this we need this personal info name and phone number. But the next step you can see it's the bottom side. Okay, it's not at the top. Okay, so we need to handle that case also. So here, okay, what we need to do, like here we have created a div per button, but we don't want it to visual here. Let's say how we can fix that part. So we need to like disable this button from here, and we need to make it here. Okay, how we can do it? Just think about it, because this button is related to this personal component also. Like, if I click on this button, type submit, okay, if I like click here, so like if you can see, I did not put anything. Like these are all the placeholder, and if I click on the next step, then you can see the validation is also uh, implemented here. So how do I move this button from this screen to the bottom side of it? how we can do it. Okay, let's see. So here, if I try to do one, okay, let's say whether it will work or not, I'm not sure, but let's try. Okay. So what I have, if you see let's go to the app.tsx. Okay, so here I have make one relative class name. Okay, so here what I will do. Okay, so I will give MD as relative first. Okay, so for means for medium class, yeah, the position will be relative, but for small scale, it should the absolute. Let's say the spelling I put ABSOLUT. Position will be absolute. Now you can say it's showing here, but if I give bottom, let's say 0, then where it will be visible? Okay, it will be here. Okay, I guess let's see. Okay, now here on the airport. Yeah, let's say the width of the height of this deep. Develop well, okay, absolute is taking this absolute. Okay, here if I do this border, border, uh, 300. Okay, let's see for 300. Not bigger. Should we do? Let's make it some bold border. That's a 9 plus. There's only some till here. That is the case. Why it's showing till there only? Okay. If I give H on a screen, then okay, now it's showing till here, till down. Okay, and I need to have the full screen height. Okay. So now let's go to the personal info. And this time if I give this absolute, okay, bottom 0, let's say from text coming here. I think there is a relative to here also. Okay, here the MD relative for medium devices position activity. That anywhere we are I'm discussing. Let's know. Or I think I got it where I'm making mistake. Now here you can see I have used this absolute position. Okay, you can see here I have used this one absolute position. So like this next button will take the width for this container also, but it will take this parent container and it will try to adjust its position related to this div only. Okay, but I don't want to. Okay, so let's say it has W4. Okay, and if I give H icon screen, okay, so I think there will be some scroller we have. Yes, got it right. And now it's come to the bottom, but should not be this is screen instead of it. Let's give it as 4 by 5. Okay, I think 4 by 5 is so let's increase it more. 4 by 5 is 80%. Okay, let's try to give it as 90%. Because here I will give as 90 pH. Okay, the 90% is also we need to like decrease the weight. No? Here you can see okay, let's say so 90, let's say 84%, 84 pH. Okay, now it's fine. I think it's coming to the down. Okay, and also but you can see the background color is coming till bottom, but which I don't want. Okay, like this next step button is coming here, but where this okay, can't handle it with the position. Okay, if I try to handle, I think it will give some error as well. Let's see how we can do. That's coming down, but if you notice, I think here I think busy background is what I have given. So here I will give edge icon fit only so that it should fit uh, to the edge icon fit. And now I think it's looking fine according to me. Let's remove my battery saver is on. Okay, my system battery is low. Let me put my system on charge. Okay, so just give a second, guys. So I will plug in the charge, and now you can see I think it's looking fine. Okay, we just need to give some more padding from top and bottom. So like let's give it some more here. Let's give it as py as for medium py 4. Or I guess I think it's looking nice. Yeah, we have the personal and everything, and also it's everything is nice, but just we need to move it to the right side. Okay, this way. So like this thing only showed me before. Like if I make it big scope. Okay, let's say if I close this statement, or you can say it's stuck with the top. Okay, so I need to maintain that case also. Okay, for like desktop also, like the layout should not be changed for desktop twice. Okay, it should maintain on for desktop. So let's see how we can do it. So here I have used empty auto. Okay, and it mainly for I think only for desktop. Let's justify and it will not work for laptop. Here I have used for mobile version absolute bottom zero. Okay, and here I will use w hyphen full. That's it. Border bread in 900. If I remove this empty auto, take control Z, W, instead of W2, let's give it W 11.1. Now can we make What is fine? That's on me. Working the listener border. I also did the border. Yeah. Problem here. From here also. Okay. Let's make it like this and let's open an inspect button. Okay. I guess uh, the only case which we need to I need to handle it. We need to move this next step to yeah. How can I move it? So this like this case, I need if I handle that case, then I guess everything is fine. So now I can able to move. Just I need to the bottom zero, and here I will give right HT right 0. I think it's too much. Let's give it 2. Let's give it right as 3, or let's move it as 4. If I give it that right as 4, I guess it's fine. Okay? But I don't want to handle like this, not to handle this thing like this. Because if you go on next page, there, then I will have 2 buttons. Okay? One is go back and one is next. And also you can see the background color of it is of course white. Because what I want, it should have the full width. Okay, full should have the full entire width. So if I do like say left 0, then okay. Yeah, so how I can do the left 0, and also we can give as w hyphen full. Okay, let it will justify in for medium screen only. Okay, w hyphen full, and let's give some background color. So let's say beige background. Yeah, it's white, but I think it's like padding to bottom to the bottom. This to the bottom. It has the padding. It has the card. Should not have the card. Let's go to the select tab.tsx. Okay, I have given this as icon. Okay, let's give it border, border. Let's say yellow and 900, and we can use it for the circle 60 screen. But yeah, it has some padding here. So instead of H34, what I can give personal do I handle this form to let's say so instead of it, if I do it X1, let's move this H. Got it? What I have to do. Entire height available, but it's this one is not working. Next one is not working. border to here, border, this border, red 600. Now let's say how it will look nice. If I give here, like you can see, it's looking like this. Okay, that's my current div. Inside maybe here inside it. Okay, there's the caps lock double field. Also, I need to specify the height as well. Okay, that's what I do. So let's remove this text and border properties. We don't need it. Okay, and also we can remove the border here. So if I go min, high, max, that's it. Min, the min height, goal, there it is. Let's give it some custom and then we can push. Let's see here. I am very confused right now. Okay, because if I to play, I can extract that if I remove the position absolute, okay, let's say if I remove the position absolute, okay, then it's move to the here, but I need to make this thing also to the top now. How can I how can I move it? Okay, let's see now. We need to move it here. From I need to achieve that part. If I don't use the relative position, then in that case it will work. Okay. But we need to make it as well. Move it to here. But then I'm facing the difficulty to move this next step button to the bottom. Let's see for some position property on Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS.com. Step try with static property. Instead of relative, let's leave it to static. Okay, I guess now it's looking fine. Okay, so now if I click on this, okay, let's say for the large device, the device, I think it's for large one also it's looking fine. So we can handle it. Let's go to the personal first. I think that is fine. Okay, so P4, I guess it's okay. This thing I so for medium devices, we will be like there will be no padding, so it should not attend that. And I think everything is fine. For medium devices, if I open it mobile device, I think also then also it's currently okay. Should I make the field small? I think it's field is also looking at. We don't need to modify. Now let's go to the next first fill up this part. This will Steve fan in here also here number I would put like this. Now I have to click on another step. Okay, so now currently I'm at the select your front page. Because here also we have to do the same thing. You can see the go back and it come to the bottom. So let's say we can modify it. So now if you go to the select plan, okay, so what I will go to the personal info. Okay, and here we can I guess I can copy this code. Okay, here I think I will modify something. So I will copy this class one, go to the select plan. I have to modification there. So I will select all and replace all this with my selector. Now everything I think you can see open. We just need to reduce this padding from this part and then everything will have fine. And also let's go to the person info. यहाँ से आप स्टीव पर जाना क्लास में दिया था बैक बटन दे क्लास में इसका कॉपी करते हैं after you come in here you can see I have the date for next one previous button so I will copy it and paste it and here we only need to modify instead of justify it should have justify it okay apart from that everything is same now you can see go back and and also we need to write items so that the go back will come to the okay, now I guess it's looking fine. Just we need to modify this the button. Okay, to handle it, so let's go here. Let's say where I have designed our card. So if I open the plan, then okay, this is the card which I have designed. Okay, so here I need to modify one thing. So for a small screen, you can see I think it's padding that passing at you. This is the padding. If I write for empty, okay, you can see there is no padding, but I need some padding also. So for smallest one, I will use P hyphen 2 so that it will have some like let's be a small padding. Okay, and I say let's say where is the plan name I have shown like advanced yeah, here's I guess this image and then the P. I think empty is fine. Font bold is also fine. Okay, I think I need to have, reduce the text size. So here I will use let's say text regular not regular let's say text SM and then for medium voice I will use text regular okay I think now it will look fine yeah I can see here for small device it's looking fine and it's here we need to do the same thing or I think it's let's see the fonts okay. Then we can actually much in a better way. Other text access is a 12 period. That's not 14 pairs. Base is 16 pairs. Okay, so instead of error, I will the base text base for medium base and for small base, will have text extend. For price also, it should have the text extend. Okay, or if I can use instead of extend, axis. Okay, and here I will use for medium base to have text. Okay, and SS is fine for both instances. Okay, now I can see price and everything. I guess it's fine. My mobile version, you can see it's also working. Okay, now if I go back, I can able to go back, and if I go to next step, now I am getting one this select this one plan. Let's select once. Now go to next step. Now here also I need to handle the same thing. So here only I think I need to handle this padding and this button for full one. So now let's go to around next step. So first I need to reduce the padding. I think one thing I need to do here. No, here I think it's fine. Okay. So yes, if I copy the class name from select one, then it will work. So I will copy the class name from here. If you control C, go to add-on step. Okay, then I will paste here. Okay, let's save it. Now if I go to the border, now I can see now we need to go to select one and copy the class name for bottom. Here I need to delete for bottom. So I will copy this class name. With control C. Okay, let's go to add-on step, and here is the deep for button. So button I go back on next step. So what I will replace this class name. So control S, and now you can see it's come down. Okay, go back, go to next step. Now let's go to next step. Okay, so next step, next step is here finishing page. So now let's go to this summary page. Okay, now I can here also I can copy the same class name. Let's copy the class name for button. Okay, so I can use it. So here is the button div or button content. So I will replace this first. Then I will go to select bar. Okay, select or add on. You just need to copy this class name from here. Go to summary. Go to the top. Okay, let's save it. If I come here, the summary page has also changed. Okay, now part the place of summary page. And here I will define UI as 6. So that is, I think UI 8 is not okay. Um, that's I think I have defined some gap part is total button. Okay, so let's see where is the total plan. Okay, yes, the total. I have defined a P4, so instead of that from so why that P4 I have given that. So that data from P4 is but I'm not I do not understand why you can say this gap and this gap are totally different and why I'm getting that. bottom there. I'm not understand. I can understand that. Let's see what is it. Here is only the padding. So let's see how much width and height is different. So if I go to border, yeah, hi Sanjay. I will try to fix it. Currently, I'm doing live stream with like headphone, okay, like earphone. But later I will try it. I have planned to buy a mic. So once I get a mic, then you don't see like any buffer in my audio also. Okay, then you can hear me properly. But for as of now, I just request you to hear. Okay, for as of now, I will soon buy a mic. Then you don't feel any. So now, yeah, border. Then what I will do? Okay, border. Let's give us red and 300. Let's see. Okay, it's taking that much of width. Okay, so I got it. So what I will do is design perfectly. It's fine. You can say the I don't also looking on mobile devices. Looking fine and the person info also. Okay, now let's see the summary. I think summary is I already fixed it. So I guess now everything has been completed. Okay, now let's close it. Okay, now let's move this to the side. Inspect menu. Okay, now let's see for different extensions. Okay, currently I am at icon AC. Now let's say for like icon XR. Okay, for icon XR, like the UI is looking like this. Now let's fill this one and let's say all other components as well. Let's say Stephen King. Then okay, and the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0. Now if I click on next step, okay, valid email, properly. Go to next step. This is the select your plan page. Okay, you can currently see the like text is like small because currently I'm seeing it on a desktop and it's 50%. But if you see on it on mobile device, you can see it like this. Okay, thank you, Sanjay, for understanding. Okay, for your understanding. And I just have one query to you. Are you getting understand like what am I doing currently? Do you have any idea? I just wanted to know like have you visit my on my stream for the first time or you have also seen my past live stream video. Okay. And also just tell me guys how is my UI like how did I design my user interface for the multi-step form. Okay, did you like it or not? Okay, so let's reverse it because I can't see the bottom. Okay, you are here for the first time. Okay, so okay, so just tell me like are you understanding like do you have any understanding like what currently am I doing? Okay, do you have any idea? Or I need to like give an overview for this project for you. Yeah, I am building a front-end design. So for you, I will give you like overview from the starting, like what currently I am doing. So I have picked like a challenge from Frontend Mentor website. You can say they like Frontend Mentor. Do you know about the Frontend Mentor? Okay. Do you have any idea about?
So what I telling that, like I have picked one challenge from this Frontend Mentor, okay, platform. Okay, so I will tell you all what is this Frontend Mentor. So let's go to the home. Like it's a site where you can like practice on your like on your front end skills, okay, by building a project. Okay, there is all like a basic project and as well as the like the advanced intermediate project are also there. So if you go to the challenges section, there you can find like the front end mentor has like various challenges on its platform. Okay, so now it has the, if you click on this button here, you can say the difficulty level. So it has the newbie, junior, intermediate, and advanced or guru. This kind of difficulty level challenge on its side. Okay, so you, if you are a beginner, so according to your skill set, okay, so you can pick any challenge from it and try to complete this challenge. Okay, so like in this way, you can enhance your front end skills by practicing on real life challenges. Okay? Like if you are learning, so you might need to build some project, okay? Like a small project, or you want to build some big project, okay? So that you can have some idea like how does the code flow. And you can, if you get some task on it, you can implement it also. Okay, so you can come to this platform and you can pick any challenges. It's not restricted that you can only solve this challenge in React. You can solve in any languages. So, you know, whatever language you feel comfortable, you can solve it. Okay. Currently, I am practicing on my, like I'm trying to enhance my React skill. So that's why I am trying to solve this challenge by using React. Okay. And also I want to enhance my skill on like Tailwind CSS and sets in library. Okay. So what I do, I come to this site and pick any challenges, okay, and try to solve it, okay, and I solve it on the live stream so that you guys can also see like how I'm approaching to solve this problem. Okay. So that's the idea behind it. So like currently I have picked the this multi-step for project, okay, challenge from this platform. Like you can say it's an advanced level challenge. But if you are a beginner, so there are some junior or beginner friendly challenge also there. So you can pick according to you. Okay. So I have picked this challenge, okay, and I have downloaded the starter code from here. Okay. If you can see, I have opened this starter code in a different VS Code window. Okay, so if you open the starter code, it will show like it will have the folder structure like this. Like first, it will have a one assist folder. There, it will they will provide you some images or text which we you can use for to complete your challenge. Okay, like if you open the font, so here you can see the font family they have provided you. Like this font family you can use to complete your project. And here in the images folder you can see they have provided the like with the images which you can use to build your application. Like if you come to our website, you can see I have used this background image. Okay, you can see here, so like this background image I got it from the front-end mentor itself. Like they have provided me the required images. Okay, like then so that we don't need to search from the internet, we can get it from here. And below this assessed folder, like they have provided me the design folder also. Like that is the design, like it's a images file, like its content images, and it will show the UI, like how your UI should look like. Okay, because you are building a front end. they only provide a front-end challenge. So there you will practice on building your user interface. Okay, so they will show you like they don't provide Figma directly, like they have the premium version. Then you can access the Figma and everything. But for the free user, okay, they provide the images so that you can refer to design your. Yes, they provide images and PNG file also. Like in the assets folder, like they provide images which you can use to create your like project. Like you can see the here the background image is used. So they have provided this background image inside this images. Okay, and inside the design they only show like how your like it's only for the reference purpose, so you can refer here, like you can see like how you can design your web page and how your multi-step website will look like. So here if whatever the number of the page okay they have, so they will provide the like all the images file for it. Like you can see they have name it properly, so you can refer it also. Like you can see they have the active step. Okay, so like it will say like it will show the effect, like if you like hover on any input field or any button, that how it should behave. Okay, like it will say that if any field is not active, then it should look like this. If any field is active, like if it's imperative and focus state, then it should look like this. And if it has any error, then it should look like this. So you can refer this images file and you can design your webpage. Okay, so currently I in like in this video I was designing this mobile application. So you can see I take the reference from here. Okay, like you can see they have mentioned that your design for a mobile device should look like this. Okay, so I have took a reference from here and try to implement my page. Okay, and I'm trying to achieve like this. Okay, you can see. Can you tell me? I think it's looking similar to this. I think there will be more improvement needed. But with my knowledge, okay, I try to achieve like this kind of user interface for a mobile device. Okay, currently I am showing in the iPhone XR layout. Okay, uh, okay. So just tell me, like till here, are you getting understand or have you any query? Okay? If you have any query, you can also comment. Okay, so that I can clear your doubt. Okay, so now let's see the next step. Okay, sorry, not next step. Now what I was saying you like I have explained you the assets design folder, like what they are doing, and then below that they have provided just our customer, like only for like if you are using index like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then you can use this HTML page, okay, to design your application. But if you are using any different toolkit tool like as I am using the React, so you don't need to use it. You can customize your application according to yourself. Okay. Now below this, they have provided a one readme template file. Like this is the template file. Like only you can only use it. Okay, you can use it while you submitting your challenge to the front end mentor. No worry, it's dog. Okay, if he left, no worry. Uh, Yeah, is there any score in that website to use that in CV or portfolio? Yeah, you can use, you can mention like this project in your CV or platform. Like it's a very popular platform also. So if you mention that, then it will also definitely will have some impression. Yes, and it will also show you like if you go to the front end method, here you can see they have a large number of community. I will show you like if I go to the solution which I have written here, you can say there are multiple person there. Like developer, like they are solving this kind of challenges, okay, and they are using it. So definitely it has some effect. Okay, then only it's become too popular. So definitely you can practice on it, okay? And it will make if you like create any project from here and it will if you mention it on a portfolio or a resume, then definitely it will have a like a good effect. And also if you select any solution, so like here from the community, let I will show you. Just give me a second. Like if I go to my challenges, okay, here you can say I have currently I have picked up three challenges which is in progress and I have completed the 13 challenges. Okay, so now let's go to any one challenge. Let's go to restaurant building. Okay, so here I have solved this challenge and here you can see my solution is there. Okay, so now here you can see this is my solution and here I got some like and everything and comment also. So in this way, like you can say like how the just like a testimonial you can use it also. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, so if you have time, just feel free to check out this site. I'm sure okay, you will definitely like this site. Okay, just pick one challenge, and try to solve it. Okay, I hope you understood the code, like the starter code which they are providing. Okay, I understood about this. So my suggestion is just download and like pick any challenge and try to solve it. Okay, and after solving, you can mention it on the LinkedIn also. Okay, so that you can share your experience also. Okay, so where am I? Where was I? Here I was explaining my like the project which I have completed. Like you can say like my project is completed currently. Okay. So I have created like desktop version as well as the mobile version also. You can see on desktop device my website will look like this, and on mobile device, if I open it on a mobile device, okay, it will let's wait open it on mobile device. On mobile screen it will look like this. Okay, so now what I will do is my project is completed. So now I will create a GitHub repository and I will submit my project to the frontend mentor so that you can also see like how we can submit a project. Like once you complete one project, then how we can submit it to the frontend mentor side. So before like submitting to the GitHub, I just want to ask you like do you have any idea about GitHub or Git? Do you know what is it? And also uh, apart from the SAMD also, it, like you guys also, if you know about the Git in GitHub, you can also comment. Okay? It's just not restricted to SAMD. Okay, so you use Git. First, so let's push our code to the GitHub repository. So first, I need to create a GitHub repository. So for that, I will go to the my GitHub account. So I will open github.com. Okay. So can you tell me like how I can create a repository on GitHub? And also, guys, if you know like how we can create a GitHub repository, you can comment. Okay. Let's see if you know or if you don't know. Okay. and it's programming. I think you can also comment if you know like how to use GitHub or how to create a GitHub repository on GitHub. You can also comment. I am waiting for you guys only. If you don't know or if you want me to create, you can message like you can comment. Okay. So I think you want me to create a GitHub repository and you don't want to comment. So no worry. If you don't want to comment, it's fine. Okay. So I will show you like here at the top right side. There are multiple ways you can create a repository, but I can show you like here you can see there is a plus symbol you can see. Okay, at the now bar. Okay, just click on this button and here you can see a new repository. Okay, and also at like sidebar also you can see a new button. If you click on this new button also, then here also you can go to the same page. Like with the help of this, you can create a new repository. Okay, so here first you need to select the owner. Okay, so I will select like my username. Okay, then you need to like write your repository name. Okay, so I will write as multi-step for as my repository name. Okay, then you don't need to write anything here. Okay, you just need to click on this create repository. Okay, here you can I just want to tell you one thing. If you want to make your repository to private, you can like click on this or like select this private option. But if you want to create your repository as a public, so you can select this. So I want my repository to go public, so I will select the public option. Then I will click create repository, so it will create a new repository. Now like here it will show you like how you can push your code to the GitHub. Okay, so first you need to do like here for quickly step you can copy this link. Okay, and you can do write this command git remote advertising and you can link your code base to your GitHub account. Okay, so like I will show you the step by step. First, once create your repository, you created your repository, then navigate to your VS Code window. Okay, open your terminal. Okay, so currently my application is running, so I will close my application. To close my application, I will press button as Control plus C. Okay, just clear it first. Okay, so first on my local also we need to initialize my git. Okay, so to initialize our git, first I need to write git init. Okay, this command I need to write. Okay, like this will initialize a git like empty GitHub repository or git repository in my local system. Okay, like it will create a dot slash git folder. Okay, so that's it, it's done. Now once you initialize your git, okay, so on the like left side on VS Code window, you can see like like on this option. If you click on this source control option, so there you will see all the changes which you can say which you can post on the GitHub repository. Okay, so these are the changes you can see here, and you can push your code from the source control also. You don't need to write command. You can write your commit message here, and you can commit your code. Okay, but I will show you by a command. So after initialize empty GitHub repository, like once you initialize empty GitHub repository, then okay, minimize it. Okay, then first I need sorry we need to do git add dot like this will like what stage all your changes. Okay, so like if you can say I have done the with a dot, and it will push all my code to the stage. Okay, so like it will show me like this code file are ready to commit. Okay, like in a signal also you can see there is a red, green or yellow colors there on the system, light are there. So if you say like yellow means ready to go. So here get add means so it's ready to commit. You consider it as. Okay, so these are a file are ready to commit. Okay, then after doing this git add, then we need to do git commit hyphen m, and then in the quotation like quote we need to write a commit message. It's very important that we need to write a commit message. So you can write according to your changes. Okay, just write a commit message about the changes which you have made. Okay, according to it. So what I will do here, I will write the commit as finished creating, okay, multi-step for. Okay, that's it. I will use this as a commit message. So now you can see these are the code committed to our, okay, which get committed. Now before posting a post, because this is the first time when I'm posting my post to the GitHub, but my GitHub, like my local Git does not know like on which repository I'm going to post. So first I need to link my like this my local Git account with my GitHub account. And how can I link it? So for that case, I need to write command as git remote add origin. Okay, and here we need to write like here if you go to the repository, you can see this here you can see the like the you can what's called URL, okay? Your repository URL. So you need to use the HTTPS or you can use the SSS also, but I prefer to use HTTPS link. So what I will do, I will copy this link. I will click on this copy button. Okay, then come back to our terminal. Here I will paste it. Okay, like this, and then press the enter button. So what it will do, it will link my Git account, like the local Git account, to the GitHub account. Okay, and at last I can do git post origin master. So once I do this git post origin master, so it will post all my local code to the GitHub account. Okay, GitHub repository. So here you can see it post all the code, and I got a done message here, and here you can see the repository on which the code has been pushed. So now let's go to our repository. Here you don't see the code yet, but once you refresh this page, तो जैसे आप इस पेज को रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, you can see all your local code post the GitHub repository. Okay, so if you open the SRC folder, there you can see I have the assist component hooks lib, like all the code which I was store was my local system that store on the GitHub, and it's publicly available, so everyone can look my code to create this multi-step form application. Okay, what code I have written, they can also see. Even you can also see this code. Okay, so what I will do. Okay, so later, like I will provide you this code. Okay, the source code in the like what you can say in the comments. Let's okay. Let me give it right away. Okay, so that you can, if you want to check it out, you can check this my source code right away. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this link. Okay, and I will provide a new the like sorry, in the comment section or the chat section. Okay, just give me a second. So don't go anywhere. Okay. Else, just give me a second, guys. I'll try this code when I fully come here. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. So I have uh, like message the GitHub repository code. Okay. You can see. Okay, if you want to refer it, you can refer it right away. Okay. So now, like I have like pushed my code to the GitHub account. Now I need to deploy my application also. Now let's go to the Frontend Mentor site. Okay. So here I need to submit as I want to submit a challenge. Okay. So for that, first I will go to my challenge. Then I will pick my currently in progress challenge. Okay. And if I scroll down, you can see I have got a option like submit solution. So here I will click on the submit button, and then here you can see how I can submit. To submit our like challenge, first we need to write like title, solution title, then repository URL, okay, and then the light site URL as well. So these are the field are required which you need I need to mention. So like I have created a GitHub repository. I already pushed my code, and now I need to deploy my application also. So do you know how can we deploy my application? Okay. So chat, you can comment your opinion if you know about like how we can deploy any React application. Okay. Then you can mention in the chat section. Let's see. I'm waiting for your response. Let's see how many of you know. Looks like everyone has left the chat, but no worry. I will still show you like how we can deploy our React application. Okay, so that if anyone wants to refer later, they can refer it. Okay, so to deploy our React application, prefer to use Warsaw. Uh, audio. Well, I think I was audible, huh? Guys, am I audible or not? Can you confirm me once? Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so to deploy a React application, I usually use Warsaw. Okay, so let's go to the Warsaw. So if I go to the Warsaw.com, like it's the online platform to deploy your web application. Like if you go here, you see Warsaw provides the developer tools and cloud infrastructure. to build, scale, and secure a faster, more personalized way. Like in on this platform, you can deploy your web application. Okay? So to deploy, first you need to log in, and I would suggest you should log in with your GitHub account so that they will have access to your GitHub account. So I will click on login with GitHub. Okay. So if you are currently logged into your GitHub account, so won't take too much time. Okay. And it will redirect to like the dashboard page. Here you can see like currently I have deployed these many of the application on WhatsApp. Okay. So now I want to deploy a new project. So to deploy it, I will click on this add new button. Then I will select a project option here. Okay. So now here on the left side you can see all your GitHub repository. Okay. And here only the repository you can see which you have made publicly available. If you made any repository private, so you can't see here. Okay. So like as I make this multi-step for repository as a public repository, so that's why I can see it here. Now I will click on this import button. Okay. So here uh, we need to configure our project. So in the name, I will provide a project name, framework. Okay, it will add copy page. But if you think like it's a wrong framework, so you can select the option they will provide this option. You can select framework. But for my case, I'm using the web framework. It's correct. Now, if you have any environment variable, okay, you can mention it here. For my project, I'm not using any environment variable. So I will straight away click on this deploy button. Okay, so it will take some time, like it will build your application first and then deploy it. So just wait for some time until it build and deploy our project. Meanwhile, if you have any query, okay, related to my project, you can message me in the chat section, and also you can also message me. So like here you can say I got some build issue. Let's see. So if I click on this build logs, okay, here you can see command npm run build. Okay, so I think on some pages I got this warning like user is declared, but its value never read. Okay, like if you are using some like TypeScript now, so try to like remove any warning or any error message, but it will trouble while deploying your application. Just you can see just right now, like while I try to deploy it, I got this error message like this npm run build has failed because use effect is deployed but its value is never reached. Okay, and it's I got this error message on app.tsx page. Okay, so now let's navigate to the app.tsx page. I will open the src folder and go to the app.tsx page. Now, if you go to the top here, you can say I have used use effect, but sorry, I have imported the use effect, but I have not used in this case anywhere. Okay, so what I will do, I will remove it from here. Okay, so now let's first try to run npm run build on my local as well, so that I will get to know like if is there any more error or not. Okay, so first I will clear it, and then what I will do, get sorry not get, I will need to run npm run build. Okay, so it will build our application, and if while building it, if there is any error, then I will get to know and I can fix it right away. Okay, so I would suggest you like always while you when you are going to deploy a project, so first You should build your application on your local system also. So if you have any error there, then you will straight away get off on your local and you would fix it. So that you will not face any issue while deploying. This thing I forgot to build it. Okay, but uh, right now I am going to implement it, and you can see my build has been success, and there is no more error. So what I will do now, like I have made one changes. If you see here, go to the source control. You can see if you click on this tab, you can see I have made one modification. Like I have removed this use effect. Okay, so I need to push this code to my GitHub also. Okay, so what I will do, I will do the add dot. Okay, now I will use git commit icon and then I will write a commit message. So here I will write remove unused use effect. Okay, then now the next command which I will write is get post origin master. Okay, so it's done. Let's clear it, minimize the terminal, close all the file. Okay, minimize this one. Now I will go to my like WhatsApp. Okay, so here I have like currently my build is failed, so I need to rebuild my application or redeploy it. So how I can do it? Like here you can see there is no option to redeploy it. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to my project. Okay, production deployment. Okay, so here you can say it's created one product. So now what I will do, let's see. This I need to go to the deployments option. Okay, I think there should be one option to redeploy. Okay, let's go to the project explorer. Okay, I think it's done. I think it's deployed. Let's go to our project. Yeah, it got deployed. Okay, now what does the version do? It continuously monitor your GitHub repository. So if you anytime if you made any changes, so you don't have to come to Vercel and then manually deploy the app. Like it will take your latest commit and it will rebuild your application and try to redeploy it. Okay. So like currently I have made one change in my GitHub repository. So what does the Vercel do? Vercel took my latest commit and redeployed my application. Now you can see my application has been deployed and you can see I got the URL as well. Okay. So with this URL, anyone can see my website and they can interact with it. Okay. So I will also provide this like URL in the chat section. Okay. So you can refer it or you can also see this website. Okay. Even if you are viewing my video or my live stream in mobile also, so you can open it in mobile device. I'm sure it will be responsible for mobile device as well. Okay. But if you are seeing any it's not looking well in your mobile devices, you can comment me. Okay. Then I will try to like fix the UI like as the usual way. So it's a small request to all of you guys. Like in the chat section, I have messaged of my live like the URL of my project. So just check out this project. Okay, open it in your website, sorry, in your mobile device. Okay, and tell me like how it is, how it's looking. Okay, and then you can tell your feedback also, that how was your experience to while using my application. Okay, so it's done now. Like I have the GitHub repository, and my live site also is ready. So now I will go to my frontend mentor, and here I will submit my project. Okay. To submit it, first I need to provide some title. So I will use, okay, like multi-step for, okay, by using React and Tailwind CSS. Okay, here I will add responsive also. I will mention that it's a responsive type. So I will add responsive multi-step for using React and Tailwind CSS. Okay, here I need to write my GitHub repository. So I copy the code, to paste it here. Now I need to mention my live site URL there. So I copy my URL. Here I will paste my website. Okay, so now here I can mention my code. Okay, so if I am using HTML JavaScript, I can't select, but if I am using apart from code, so I can select from here. So currently I will use React, also React, Tailwind CSS. Let's say any more tools which I have used. Animation I have not used, Express also I have not used. Bootstrap no, I have not used the Chai. PHP no, Fetch also I have not used. Okay, so I think that's it. I have already used the React. Okay, yes. I have also used the sets, so that's what I'm searching. Yeah, so I have used React, Tailwind just to develop this project. Now I can leave this field empty, and here I can click on the submit button. So it will submit my application. So I can close the starter tab. Now you can see I got a success message that you completed a challenge. Now it's time to share your application with the board. Okay, question. Now I can close it. And now if I let it scroll down, you can see I got a solution in there. Okay. And if I click on the solution, here you will see all the feedback also. So it's done, guys. So I have created this application multi-step form. Okay, and also I have created one GitHub community, and I pushed all my code to the GitHub account, and also I successfully deployed my application to WhatsApp. And I have provided my GitHub source code and the WhatsApp link in the chat section. So if you want to refer it, you can refer it. So that's it, guys, for this live stream. I hope you like my live stream. Yeah. I like the way I have created this project. But if you have any query or you have any kind of suggestion, okay, for me, you can message me in the comment section also after this live stream ends. Okay, I will try to reply all the comments. Okay, so that's it, guys. And also, if you are new to my website, okay, if you're new, so not website, if you're new to my channel, so feel free to like it, okay, and also subscribe this, and also enable the notification. So whenever uh, I will post like I upload any video or I go a live stream, so you get notified. Okay. And also don't forget to check out my source code and the live site for this project and provide your for, sorry, and provide your feedback in the comment section. Okay, so that I will get to know like uh, so that I have your valuable feedback. Uh, I will try to improve it. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this live stream video, and also please complete my target. Okay, I need to reach 500 subscribers as soon as possible. So just try to reach my first, like it will be my first milestone on YouTube, and I'm very close to it. Like only 42 subscribers is remaining. So if you like help me to reach my milestone, uh, like I will be very obliged to you guys. Okay? And it will motivate me also, and also in my future, I will try to improve myself. Okay, and also I will try to provide the best experience. Okay? Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Now I will end my live stream. And also one more thing, you can like mention your project, like uh, you can message your opinion or thought like on which topic I should make a video or I should which project I should create live. Okay, so you can make so you can comment your opinion in the comment box. Okay, so that's it, guys. So now, what as I have some time, so what I will do, I will go to the React Frontend Mentor. Like I have solved these challenges. Now let's see, like on which challenge I can put for my next. And why I am doing this right now? But you can also help me to choose my next project. Okay. So you will see that you have uploaded this challenge, like the challenge which I have completed. You can see the tick option there, the tick box. So just help me that which challenge should I pick in the next video. Uh, just one more request. Ignore the premium challenge because I don't have the premium subscription for this website. Okay, so just pick one project for which is free. Okay, and that project I will build in the next live stream video. Okay, like I will show you all the challenges. Currently, I have already solved a small fix with my computer, but I have not submitted yet. That's why you did not see you don't see the tick box. Okay, now help me to select one challenge. Here you can see the Kanban game. It's a recipe page. Okay, I think this challenge will help you to focus on writing semantic HTML. I think it's only you then, no related to JavaScript. I want you to pick one challenge which has some JavaScript, JavaScript like this FAQ recording. It has HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So to create this project, let me do the JavaScript. To see which one I can pick. Newsletter. Okay, let's open this. Let's see what I'm doing. So your challenge is to build out this newsletter for get it looking as close to the design as possible. Okay. You can use any tools you like to help you complete the challenge. So if you person you like to do practice, feel free to give it a go. Users should be able to add their email and submit a form. Okay. See a success message with their email after successfully submitting the form. See form validation message, the full example. I think this project is related to form validation. Uh, I think it's a similar kind of value which I solved just now. So I think I can ignore, right? Uh, okay, we'll try it later. It's a premium. So I can't use it. I have already solved this project. Only use it HTML and CSS, dictionary, whether. So it's exciting project, but it's also a good premium. All the exciting projects for that's the news home page. So it's also related to JavaScript. So let's see this project. Okay, so if I scroll down. So here your challenge is to build out this news website. Okay, so what this project will do? Your optional layout for the enterprise depending on your site. There is no uses of JavaScript. Notification page. Let's see this challenge. Okay, so your challenge is to build out a notification page. Okay. So your users should be able to distinguish between 100 and read notification. Okay, select mark all as read to toggle the visual display of the 100 notification and set the number of 100 messages to 0. You have the optimal layout for user interface depending on their device screen size. See, power and focus step for all. I think this project is like looking good. Like here you can see the in this project, like we have to do the notification page like this. And here also we can mark mark my notification as red or unread as well. Because if I have a new notification, just open this, I can see I will get the number like how many notifications are unread. Then it will show like this. And if I make it mark as red, then it will show like this. So I think it will be a exciting project. What do you say, guys? Should I create this project notification page in my next live stream? Okay. So now let's see uh, more challenges also so that we can decide. Okay, I have seen this notification page. Password generation is a premium and try to part detail. I already solved this challenge. Now let's see product preview part. I'm going to install CSS, expense card component, chat component. I have already solved this challenge, but did not submit it. Okay, hero intro section with drop down navigation, voice generator, interactive rating card, quick tag, comment section. I think it will also similar to notification. Then equalizer, space to return monthly page website. Okay, yeah, it's also looking very exciting. Let's see. Okay, I think this will be a nice project. Like here, I think you can see you need to like with the help of this project, you can also understand like a React router feature. Okay, like how we can navigate different pages into our project. Okay, this thing also we can understand in a better way. So I think it will be a like good project to start with. Like here, if you read the brief description, okay, this project is the collaboration between us, Simba, and Kevin Polish. So, like to see how Kevin would tackle the project, you can follow along. Now, so if you choose to use JS heavy approach, you provide a local data.json file for different base data. That means you will able to pull the data from there instead of separate HTML. Okay. Now your users should be able to now this is the point which I need to fulfill. Like view each page and be able to toggle between tabs to see new information. Okay, view the optimal layout. Okay, for each of the website pages depending on their device screen size and see hover and state for interactive elements on the page. I think it will be a nice challenge to get started. Okay, because I'll just give you according to my understanding, like I need to create like either 3 or 4 different pages. Okay, and I need to make this UI part of different user interface like for mobile, tablet, and desktop version. And also I need to provide this feature like once user click on this home page, so it will should see the home page. And once user can select on the different pages, so it should navigate there. Okay, so I think it will be a good project to start with. Okay, so currently I have selected 2 projects. Like first one is space tourism multi-page website, and the second one which I have selected is this notification page. So I want your help, okay, guys. Just mention in the comment section like which project should I pick. Okay? Just message me whether I pick the notification page or should I create the space tourism multi-page website. Okay, you can message as multi-page, either multi-page or notification. Okay, you don't need to write the whole title. Whatever you feel, you can message me in the comment. Okay? And I will pick that project. Okay, guys, you respond. Okay. If you are watching my video or stream, okay, to comment like which project should I pick. Okay, for you, I will create a poll. Okay. So, okay, in the poll, okay, what I will do, I will write notification, okay, and multi-page. Okay. So select any one of option. Okay, which one should I create? Either notification or multi-page. Okay. Now you don't have to write. Okay, you can comment. Sorry, you can select one option. Then, okay, guys, if you are watching my video, if you are like my like the way I create a project. Okay, so this should also help me. So currently I am, like you can see, I am not able to decide like which projects should I pick in my next. Okay, which project should I pick? Either I should start like choose multiplication or multiples. So I have created one poll in the chat section. Okay, so you can select any one of them, like either multiplication or multiples. Okay, no worry. What I will do, okay, I will ask the same question in the next live stream. So if I get a response, then I will start that project. Otherwise, what I will do, I will randomly pick any challenge and start creating it. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you for your valuable time. Okay. And if you have subscribed my channel, so thank you for your subscription also. It means a lot for me. Okay, now I will end my live stream right away. Okay, and I will meet you tomorrow. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. And before leaving this video, please like, comment, and subscribe it. Thank you so much, guys. I will meet you from the next live stream video. Till then, happy coding. Bye.